Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel named Bossartist. Today I am gonna draw Goku Ultra Instinct on my Tab S6 Lite. Make sure to watch full video and enjoy the drawing. As always, I am started my drawing with the rough sketch cause rough sketch is necessary as base of the drawing, so you can observe and change any mistake. I always draw from reference pictures available on internet and Instagram. Using reference picture to draw is good to improve and compare your drawing to the original picture, plus with time you can memorize the shapes and be able to draw without any reference with creative mind. Now let's start the outline carefully cause outline is the heart of digital art. Always take your time while outlining cause one mistake can make your art less professional. Also always take time. Now it's time for coloring. Always start with base color and use different layers for shadings and highlights for less mistakes, because using different layers saves your time when undoing a mistake without affecting whole art, so always use more layers and clipping. If you still watching my drawing, please show some support with some likes and make sure to subscribe my channel because it helps a lot with growing my channel, and in exchange I will do my best to draw your favorite anime characters. Just comment the names and I will draw them. Thank you so much for watching and please subscribe my channel.